Inkproducts.com has now released Sublimation ink for Epson's ET2720 and the ET4720. Those are the two models we tested with our Sublimation ink. Now we recommend you buy a brand new printer, but do not put the ink that comes with it, the original ink that comes with it. You're going to draw that out of their bottle, discard it, and fill it with Sublimation ink. Now you want to use a brand new printer out of the box. Some people are going to try putting it in one that they already have. We don't recommend that. It's fairly straightforward to do. As you can see, you're going to get the Epson bottles that come in the box, and you're going to get some large syringes with tips. And what the tips can do, they're going to be able to go, just unscrew it. Don't try to take the cap off. You know, you don't want to take that cap off, because then it'll leak. Okay? Now, we can go right in with our tips, right on the side there, draw out all that ink, and you can discard it in an empty plastic. The Sublimation ink, when you open the bottles up, you're going to go right through the little, I'll show you, right up in the center there. It's a little soft spot. You go right on in. You're going to draw up the ink that came with that printer and discard it into a plastic bottle so you can throw it away later. Now we're going to fill it up. These hold about 80 milliliters, between 70 and 80 milliliters. This one is 70 milliliters, and all of them are a little bit different. Now that one has 70. That one's see the black's holding 80 milliliters. And the magenta holds 70. So you put 70 milliliters back in. On the black you put 80 milliliters back in. And you can judge that by the syringe. There's 30 milliliters, and just keep adding till you come up with your 70 milliliters. You can drop more ink out of the bottle, and then put it back in that bottle. And you're going to save these bottles. That's the way you're going to fill your printer up. Now we've already had this one in our Sublimation in, did a lot of testing on it. It works awesome. Also, when you get it and you want to do your own profiles, the program with this printer, you can actually make your own profiles and do a lot of stuff with it. Now I always get scrap material. I go to Joann Fabrics or a fabric store, and I buy, this is polyester. Now I want to test everything after I get done. So you can see, now this is using our Color Lock sublimation paper. It's perfect. But if you want, we can go and show you from the software how to set up different colors, how to change colors. This is an excellent printer because that comes with it. And it's fairly inexpensive for a sublimation printer. So for more details, go to inkproducts.com. For the latest in sublimation ink is American-made certified ink.